special ladies. How are we today? It's Niu Woman time. NIU, Niu Woman. Anyway, this is Lily coming at you again, right into your face, and just saying, hey, get out and enjoy the neighborhood. Enjoy your outdoors, how free it is, just to take in this beautiful moment. The sun is setting and puppy's just done poop, so I have to pick it up now. But we're out here anyway, just to enjoy this beautiful evening. So cool. I don't believe that Perth has ever been this cool at this time of the year. This is Perth in Mirrabooka. Beautiful park. Herb Graham, I think it's, yes, it's Herb Graham, the reserve, the park back there. But I'm just saying how happy I am right now at this moment to say it's beautiful being a woman. To you women out there, to all the special ladies, hey, we're all special, we're all amazing, and we're all beautiful. You just have a great evening, and don't forget, just walk out the door, take time to just go out and get some fresh air. Take time twice a day to do it. It's free and it's easy to do. And you'll feel a lot better. It just gives you a lot of energy as well, just taking it all in. Cheers for now. This is me, Lily, coming again at you.